Very much, yeah. Hey, what's really good, people? Welcome back. Studios back at me. How you doing? How you been? I hope everything is good with you. I got this 2019 Acura MDX. This is a third generation. If you have a Acura MDX between 2017 and 2020, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to replace the battery. Before I jump into the action, I want to give shout outs to everybody that support the channel. Thank you. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Shout outs to the subscribers, viewers, what you're waiting for. Subscribe now, pay your membership since you're down there. You want me to reach more people, hit the share button. Anything you want to say about this car, put it in the comment box. If you want to show your love, appreciation, anything you want to say, give me some feedback about this car, put it in the comment box. All right? Do that for me. And don't forget to show your appreciation. Let's have a return of kindness. Smash the super thanks button. It looks like a heart. Click on it, go through it. You see what's up, do your thing, show your love. Boom. All the tools that I'm using for this video, I'm gonna put it down here. Okay, it says view products. You have up to 30 items to choose from. They're gonna be coming from Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, Target, your local auto parts store, depending where you're getting from. You know what I'm saying? You can get it delivered to, or you can pick it up. I'm not gonna hold you up. Come on, let's go. I'll show you how to do this. I'm gonna come here. You see what's up. You see the whole thing. I'm gonna open the hood. Here, all right, just pull that once. Okay. Now let me tell you this real quick though. We can do it while the car is running, or we can do it, when the car is shut down. A lot of Acuras, a lot of Hondas has this thing with the radio. When you disconnect the battery, the car. When you disconnect the battery and connect it back, the car is going to ask you for a code. Okay, that's for the radio. I don't know if from certain year Acura and Honda stopped doing it, or they keep doing it. I don't know, but you can do this. You can replace the battery while the car is running. It's okay. You can do that. But I'm gonna do it while the car is shut down. Okay. You just saw the radio. You didn't ask me for no code. Okay. But we'll see what happens though when I disconnect the battery. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Let's get it. Now we're gonna come over here. Here's the latch. Just push it to the right. Okay. Lift the hood. You don't need no kickstand here because you have the piston right here. Alright. Now, here in the engine bay, come to the driver's side, and boom, that's the battery right there. So we're gonna have to remove this plastic. Okay. We have a few clips here. Alright. So let's do that. So with this, you're gonna remove the clip. Alright. I also gonna put this tool right at the bottom of this video in the view products section. Now I'm just gonna lift this just like that, just like that. Out. All right. Right here we have one clip, two, like that. Do the same here. Do the same there. Now here, just gonna do this like that. Now here, see the battery, okay? Positive, negative. We're gonna use 10mm. Now remove this. You're also gonna see this in the view product section. Pop it just like that. Pop. Now here, the bracket first. 10mm. Down there, he has like a hook. Just turn it, remove it just like that, alright? Same here. Just like that. Put this to the side. Now it's the same here, 10 millimeter. This is the negative, this is positive. Okay. Now we can remove the cables. Just like that. Same with this. Sorry guys, but I'm using one hand. So. Now we're gonna remove the battery. I'm just gonna remove this box. Okay. Just like that, pop. Battery is right here. It's gonna come out. Right. Everything Gucci. This is how it looks like. Nothing new. This thing is gonna stay there. Okay. If you remove this, this is like a little fan over here. This is for the battery. When I get wet, it's gonna drain through here. It's gonna go down. Okay. Put this back, just like that. Just having fun with here. There. There we go. Now we put the new battery. This new battery is a MTP48H6 made by Interstate Batteries. Put this down, just like that. Go. Okay, that's it. Put this guy back. This guy back. Okay, make sure it's all the way to the bottom. Then tighten it. That's pretty much it. Now we need to secure the battery. Put the bracket back. You know, the same way you remove it, the same way you put it back. No biggie. Okay. Do the same here on the other side. Okay, it's Gucci now. Tie the nuts. Gucci. Gucci. And that's pretty much it with the battery. So it looks like. Alright. Now we're gonna put everything back. Put this guy back, just like that. Make sure everything's Gucci. Align the holes. Put the clips back there too. Let's try to put this one, the last one. There you go. Press it down. We're Gucci. I'm gonna put the big cover back. Make sure this thing go in first. Right. We're Gucci. Now we come over here. We're gonna start the car. Step on the brake pedal. Push the start button. Like new. Alright, it's running right now. And yeah, you see, this is a 2019, right? Acura MDX. Acura, Honda, same thing. When you disconnect the battery and connect it and install a new battery, it's gonna ask you for the code for the radio. Okay. Now, if you don't want this to happen, you can start the car while the car is running. You can replace the battery. Okay, disconnect the terminals. Do all that. But you have to do it real quick. Okay, because there's no battery, so you're gonna like forcing the alternator. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. Now, if you need the code usually is in the owner's manual, or you should find a sticker around here in the glove compartment. Right? You put the code, everything's Gucci. All right, and that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video. How to replace the battery in this baby 2017 2020 Acura MDX. This is a 2019, by the way, third generation. You know where to find me. I got a clack out. It's a stool. Catch me in the next one. Stool. Boom.